Dear students, in this module we have to discuss about different types of birth control methods. Out of these, the first one is considered information based or natural birth control method, and second they are considered as the artificial birth control method, in which we include barrier, hormonal, long term means cesarean type of birth control method. So first we are going to discuss about the natural methods of birth control. Out of this, the first one is periodic abstinence. It is a method in which a couple avoid from coitus from day 10 to 17 of the menstrual cycle when ovulation expected to occur, because within this duration there is maximum chance of fertilization. So abstinence means that particular period of 10 to 17 days should be avoided for coitus. That is abstinence. The second method is considered as, that is the withdrawal or coitus interrupts. It is a method in which the male partner withdraws his penis from the vagina just before ejaculation so as to avoid insemination. Means within this process of withdrawal or coitus interrupts, more and more seriousness should be shown by the male partner, because at the time of ejaculation he is to remove his genital part from the genital part of their partner, and the process of insemination should be carried in surrounding medium, so that it may protect his partner from the process of fertilization. In this way, the withdrawal method of natural method that is going to be used. The third method is lactational amenorrhea. This particular natural method is based on the principle that during the period of lactation, after parturition, ovulation does not occur. It only remains safe up to the period of 6 months, but this method is not 100% safe, because it is called that at the time of intense lactation, the formation of ovule will not take place inside the ovary, because to make continuous flow of milk in breast, majority of the nutrients they are consumed by the female organism to carry this lactation process. So deficiency of nutrients results in no ovulation process, but this method is not 100% safe method. So these three, they are the natural methods by which we can control the